What's up, good people? It's very early. I'm up with the mosquitoes. Ain't even no birds singing. It's about 3 a.m. I got this brisket going. Told you I was doing a brisket today. And this is what it takes, y'all. I'm not happy about it, but it must be done. So I just put it on. I'm hoping to eat dinner around 6 p.m., 6:30. Just show you my brisket, what it looks like. Just put it on. So I'm going back to bed. My Gravity 980 is gonna do the work for me. I'm gonna go get some more sleep, so I'll check on this after breakfast, but I'm quite sure it's gonna do everything it needs to do. I'll check y'all out later in the morning.